Playful Farm Friends, a tale of pranks and laughter. Once upon a time, in a cheerful farm nestled in the heart of the countryside, lived four clever and mischievous friends: Henny the hen, Danny the donkey, Henry the horse, and Penny the pig. These four friends were known throughout the farm for their wit and playful nature. One sunny morning, as the farm awakened to the sound of chirping birds and rustling leaves, Henny had a brilliant idea. She clucked with excitement and gathered her friends around.
"Listen up, everyone,"
Henny said with a sly grin.
"I've thought of a little game we can play today. Let's see who can come up with the best prank to surprise the others."
The others exchanged intrigued glances. Danny the donkey brayed,
"Oh, I'm definitely up for a good laugh. Count me in."
With a wink, Henry the horse neighed.
"I'm all ears, Henny. This sounds like a hilarious challenge."
Penny the pig oinked with delight.
"I can't wait to see everyone's surprised faces."
And so, the friends set off to concoct their playful pranks. Henny came up with the idea of hiding a squeaky toy under a pile of leaves to startle anyone who passed by. Danny decided to put a whoopee cushion near the water trough to create a funny noise. Henry planned to hang a bucket of water above a slightly open barn door for a surprising splash. Penny schemed to place a fake spider in a pile of hay to give a harmless scare. As the day went on, giggles and chuckles filled the air as each prank was set into motion. Henny's trick sent the farm cat leaping in surprise. Danny's whoopee cushion had the rooster crowing in confusion. Henry's water bucket showered the unsuspecting dog. And Penny's fake spider made the sheep scatter in a comical frenzy. The farm was alive with laughter and lightheartedness. Even the farm's wise old owl couldn't help but crack a smile. As the sun began to set, the friends gathered once more to share their prank stories. Amidst fits of laughter, they realized that, while their pranks were funny, their friendship was even more precious. It's been a day of laughter and surprises, Henny clucked happily, but what truly matters is the joy we share together. Danny brayed,
Agreed! We may have fooled each other, but the bonds we've made are genuine.
With a nod, Henry neighed.
"Laughter is like sunshine for the soul. Our pranks brought us together even more."
Penny oinked.
And remember, friends, the best pranks are the ones that make us smile and bring us closer.
And so, under the setting sun, the playful farm friends reveled in their day of pranks and laughter, knowing that their friendship was the greatest treasure of all.